Hey everyone, today we're going to go over an example problem of a constant rate infusion calculation. CRIs are used to administer short-acting drugs to facilitate rapid and accurate titration of dose or maintain consistent plasma concentration of the drug. Today you are presented with an 11-pound Yorkie that has been prescribed 2 mg per kg a day CRI of metoclopramide. The metoclopramide is to be added to the intravenous fluids. If the concentration of metoclopramide is 5 mg per ml and the Yorkie's fluid rate is 20 mL an hour, how many mils of metoclopramide should be added to a 500 ml bag of IV fluids? First, we have to start by looking at our units and make sure that they match. We need to convert our pounds to kgs in order to complete this problem. To do that is simple. We're going to take our 11 pounds divided by 2.2 because there are 2.2 kgs in a pound, which will give us 5 kgs. Next, we have to determine how many mgs per day are required based on our patient's weight. To calculate this, we take our 5 kgs times 2 mgs per kg a day, which gives us 10 mgs a day needed. After that, we're going to determine how many mgs per hour. To do this, we're going to take our 2 mgs per day times 1 day per 24 hour, which will give us 0.42 mgs per hour. Following that, we will need to calculate how many hours are in the bag of the solution. To determine this, we need to divide the total volume by the fluid rate to determine the hours of infusion in the total volume. In this case, we're going to take 500 milliliters times 1 hour per 20 milliliters, which equals 25 hours total. The next thing we need to calculate is the mgs per hour of our total volume. For example, if your 500 milliliter bag of LRS will last you 25 hours and your patient requires 0.42 mgs an hour, we need to multiply the number of hours by the mgs per hour. For our CRI to last 25 hours, we're going to have to add 10.5 mgs in our 500 milliliter bag. Only 2 more steps, guys. Hang in there. We're almost done. Next, we need to determine the dose required for our total volume. To accomplish this, we're going to take our 10.5 milligrams times 1 ml per 5 milligrams, which will equal a total of 2.1 milliliters needed to be added to our 500 milliliter bag. And last but not least, we're going to determine how many mgs per ml are in our newly constituted bag. To complete this, we're just going to take our 10.5 mgs divided by our 500 mils, which gives us 0.02 mgs per ml concentration in our CRI. This number is important to know because if the fluid rate changes, you will be able to determine the mg per kg per day at the adjusted fluid rate using this number. Thank you for following along. Drop in the comments what you would like to see next on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye!